Spill School is all about preparation and helping our communities, helping our folks prepare and get ready for a bad day. We truly feel that this is important for prevention as well as preparation. We do an awful lot in our facilities to do absolutely everything we can to make sure that the bad day never happens and that our chemicals don't get released. But our customers as well as our facilities should practice, because at the end of the day, you never know when an incident's going to happen. We do everything we can to prevent an incident from happening, but on that bad day, the last thing you want to do is have everybody running around unsure of what to do. The more we can practice and be prepared, the better. By coming to Spill School, what you can learn is how to actually work within an incident command system, learning how to work as a team, learning specifically how to mitigate a fuming acid release. That's our ultimate goal, seeing that those are our highest hazard products. We want to make sure that folks will learn how to properly add water and actually get a release under control, or properly add foam, and all the things that go into preparing and working with our high hazard chemicals in the event that they are released.